Alright, hello everyone. Sawyer Studios here with the first ever hot stream. Doing it for the views. Oh gosh. Okay. Alright, here's some. Second one. Oh, okay. We're building. We're building. Generous amount. Oh, here we go. Oh, that doesn't. Ow.
Mirror.
Let me look at the exact.
Go here?
Yes, right on that.
Yeah, maybe a little bit. No, I was trying to come up with. Guys, look, there's a little ship wheel up here. Isn't that really interesting?
That's how it was driven.
That's how it was driven, actually.
There's literally a stormtrooper up there.
Fun facts about that: Death Star was not driven by a single person.
They should have gloves on.
Yeah, we should. No, could you go get gloves? Actually,
Take.
no. You should actually get. But fun. I'm trying to stall here. I'm trying to stall here.
You got the small one.
Take the small one.
The one in the middle.
I don't want this. I really don't want this.
He built a section.
God.
You were gonna do the
Gummy bears.
What gummy bears?
Trigger-free gummy bears?
We're still
ready. Nathan, we're
There
still.
we go.
We're
No,
still planning on doing
not
that.
ready.
2,
Not ready.
1.
I really don't want.
Oh my god! I can't breathe!
Oh, it's starting to hit now. We're gonna power through this. Right?
Wow! And help absolute zero!
You wanted first in a milk.
Milk, please! Please, actually on fire.
Okay, I will go grab that.
It's downstairs.
Go grab it! You don't have it!
Why are you not getting the milk? Oh god, it
It's not
hits
going
you.
away.
It gets worse.
It's not going
it gets
away.
worse. Oh gosh. Wow.
You didn't power through it, did you?
I did not power through it.
We're gonna power through
I took a nipple.
Oh.
You want to see how much I
weakling.
ate? Or even is it?
That's not a bite.
Oh, don't tell Nathan.
Oh,
I'm still on fire.
thank you.
Let me pour you some.
Just a really small amount. I'm
Hold on,
lactose
I got
intolerant.
bibs.
I'm
kidding.
I was kidding.
Alright, what is Rod's favorite color?
Red.
Nice. And we are back to tied 3-3. My goodness.
Okay.
This one is called
instant death.
So we are gonna
Go
do
for it.
no,
You go
it's
first.
okay.
You can go
Oh,
first.
John's John's going
No,
first
I
then.
was-
So you are going to name a state in the United States of America, one of the 50, and you're going to keep going back and forth until one of you can't or repeats. So John, you can start.
Illinois.
Okay.
Iowa. Indiana.
Texas.
Florida. Oh.
Wyoming.
California.
New York.
Oregon.
New Orleans.
Washington.
New Orleans?
Wait.
New Orleans? That's not a state! What does that mean, everyone? John is taking some hot sauce.
I travel a lot, but I don't know where I go.
Oh man. Oh, John. Well, here's some more ghost pepper.
Well, can I get some Oreos to endure watching him eat hot sauce? I feel like I have more pain watching you.
To make it a good final hurrah, let's see, which one should I do?
2.1.
Oh.
That tastes really good. Not the French side. And there we go. So we have the classic box within a box here. Very nice. And then we have all the Lego and such, so full of hot sauce. I'm not, you know, not holding back. Definitely more than 5 drops. Okay. Wow. It's been a lot. It's been a long time since I've. Oh, wow. I'm just not gonna talk for a little bit, okay? I gained 3 more subs. Are you actually kidding me? This was such a bad idea. I regret everything instantly. Okay, 3 more spoonfuls. Here we go. Maybe we're gonna do like, no. Here's the next spoonful. Guys, if I die, then I don't know, one of you can have my channel. We're just gonna do it. We're just gonna power through. There's 1. Okay. Oh, that's burning. Number 2. My nose is gonna be Niagara Falls. Oh, that was a lot. Oh gosh. Ah. Ah. Oh, it's not going away. Oh. Are you freaking? The fact that this isn't even good. This isn't. Here we go. And the winner is the Public Attack Gunship. It's unlike most other LEGO Star Wars sets. It was the first fan vote, and it was the only 3rd Ultimate Collector Series model as LEGO Star. It's like we posted your top 3 fan requests on the LEGO Ideas website. Yes. Oh, but we crossed our fingers and let your own Clone Wars begin. Et le grand est cette colonnière de sol près de what's 53 in French? Contre, or the frick thousand is. Screw that. I see. People just want to kill me. All right. Here's my 6th shot. I need to get some Lego and like. 1 second. Oh, it's fine. 1 second. That's fine. Want to hit something, and there's nothing for me to hit. It's in my general vicinity. There we go. I was at the store yesterday. No joke. I was at the store yesterday. I was like, hey, like in my head, I was thinking, I'm doing a hot stream tomorrow. I think I should pick up some ice cream. I was like, you know, nah, you're good. Last time you did a hot stream, it wasn't that bad. Place built from scratch, not even Makata, just some Lego sets, ideas, some lights and a camera. But then it came to life when Toshino Sakai Kawata. My imagination ran, and I never stopped, even though that it felt like bricks on bricks were weighing me down. But I knew if I kept working, we'd survive and we won't drown. Where pieces become whole and dreams come true. This is the place where you should be. So come with me to a place out of this world. Welcome back to Sawyer Studios.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Sawyer Studios, and I'm here just to give a brief announcement on a couple of items. First off, one, I finished the MOC, okay? I practically finished the MOC, and I was all set to get the video out tomorrow. All I needed to do was just place the minifigures, and then I ordered a clone accessory from Clone Army Customs. It said it delivered. It never delivered. I don't know where it is. Customer service isn't helping. Not that the video is going to come out like Friday. Okay, I had to order a second one, and it's not coming until Thursday. So it's not my fault. I just want to say I was ready. I'm all ready. Literally, I'm looking at the finished MOC right now. I'm ready to show the MOC off, but I can't do it without that one stupid clone accessory, so I'm a little upsetty spaghetti, but that's what it is. So no MOC finale tomorrow. Unfortunately, it's going to come out super late, and I apologize. I'll take 20% of the blame because I could have ordered the accessory earlier, but honestly, it was supposed to come in last Thursday, and it did, but it didn't. So I don't know where it is. It's probably lost in transit somewhere. It said it delivered, so maybe someone stole it from me. I don't even know. No one's helping me. It's fine. So that's that out of the way. Second of all, the hot stream. So just continuing on, I want to try to do a hot stream weekly on Saturdays. I know that I used to have like a consistent live stream schedule on Wednesdays, which was fun. And yeah, I'm gonna try my darndest to do live streams on a weekly basis, and so I'm choosing Saturdays because that's the day that I'm mostly free. It's gonna fluctuate between afternoon and evening. I think this Saturday I'm gonna do a live stream. It's gonna be in the evening. It's gonna be later at night, so that's the plan for this coming week. Because I have an event in the afternoon this Saturday. So essentially that's the plan for that. I will be coming out with a ATT Walker review, by the way. If you missed my past hot stream, if you don't know what a hot stream is, that's what I'll be doing every Saturday. If you watch the compilation in the first part of this video, then that's essentially what hot streams are. I get some Lego sets or a Lego set or whatever. I build it on live stream, and we just hang out, and I have hot sauce, and depending on the donations I get is the amount of hot sauce and the hot chicken or spoonfuls or whatever I have to take. And yeah, it sucks. It sucks. But it's for your entertainment, and I think it's solid content, so you should always join when you can to never miss out on a hot stream event, which should be happening every Saturday. if I do that. So yeah, I'm excited to get this going on my channel. I'm hoping to get some more people into the live stream events. I know that we used to have really good numbers, like people viewing, and then I just like got out of a consistent schedule, and I just haven't done a live stream in like a very long time. So that's on me. That's my bad. I need to be more consistent. That's completely my fault. It's not your fault. But I would like to get that rolling again. So that being said, I hope that you all come to hot streams whenever that they are available, whenever that I am hosting them, and once again they'll be on Saturdays mostly. And yeah, turn the bell notification on so you can get notified when I'm doing a hot stream. You don't miss out on that. I also will be posting either updates of when I'll be doing hot streams in my Discord channel, on the Story Studios community page, and I'll probably also be doing a YouTube short video like couple days before or the day before on when I'll be doing a hot stream, just so that you all know the time and the place and all that stuff. Well, really just the time. The place never changes. I'm here and you're there, and yeah, there we go. Once again, sorry for the mock finale being delayed. Once again, Clone Customs, little upset, but that's okay. Anyway, like, comment, subscribe to Story Studios, and I'll see you all in the next video. Peace out.